Yeah, it's a good opportunity. Tell us more about Halva. Omani Halva, yeah.
How are you?
How are you?
Halva is...
Sorry, what is your name?
My name is Nasser Al-Bahlani.
I'm Christian. And she's Maria. Yeah.
Omani Halwa is the old sweet Omani, and it's special for
But what it makes different than Saudi Halva?
Saudi Halwa is not same this only Omani Halwa this.
So what is the secret of Omani Halva?
First of all, Saudi without halwa. This Bahraini halwa.
Okay.
But different how they make halwa.
But actually, we in Serbia, we have this because the Turks, the Turks came to Serbia, they brought halva.
Yeah.
So
Lokum.
Lokum, it's like Turkish halva.
Turkish halwa, yeah. But this different Turkish halwa is some strong. But
maybe, yeah.
Halwa is...
No, we tried. It's there is not too much sugar.
Yeah,
it's not too sweet.
It's this, yeah.
And what is the ingredients? I saw there is a cardamom.
I do this organic sugar.
Organic sugar.
Yeah, that's why sugar is.
This is good. Yeah. Not like too much white sugar.
Yeah. It's only little white sugar.
And I see that you put, the cardamom spice.
Yeah, this little. Also, I do this little.
You put it everywhere. You put it in the coffee. Oh.
And also I do rose water. That's also
rose water.
Rose
okay.
Water. That's why its taste is very.
I know there is a big factory of rose water in Oman, right?
Yeah, but
there is a production of rose.
This old. I can now, inshallah, I come how doing that in this halwa.
Can you show us a little bit? Yeah.
Just wait.
So, one more question. If we invite you to Serbia, you're ready to come
inshallah,
to make. Okay, then we can exchange contact.
Inshallah.
And
if you have some Eid or something.
We have,
some weekend. I see because
I actually in May, the May.
Yeah, I know.
We have a 3-day festival.
Yeah.
So I usually invite a different artist, but I think also if you let me know what you need before you come, I have to know what you need.
I can come before 1 week. I do all making anything if you want.
No, I'm serious about it. Then I will take your contact and we can arrange because I think people would like to see. I don't know how we can make this.
That's need more time, maybe 3, 4, 5 days. I come before, I do all this, and inshallah.
Yeah. Why not? So maybe in the May. Now you can show me a little bit how it's made, and later I can try to do this job. You have to pay me. So it's made with honey. Znači ova halva se pravi sa medom.
Malik.
You work here or you're his brother or something?
I work there also.
You work also, like a family business. Tell us something about, you started the shop recently, right? But I think it's working very well. From everything I've seen on the carnival, I think this shop will make a lot of money. It's always full.
We opened like before 3 weeks, and we had a lot of people here.
People like it, and I like the design. So basically, the big park in the town.
Yes.
They had, because I was here 2019, and I like the big park because they had like a place where old guys were making the net for fishing, and there was like an old city, so you could see how people live 100 years ago. I don't know if they're gonna make this, but for me as a foreigner, I want to see how Omani lived 100 years back. Today I don't. The Jeep I can see anywhere, Coca-Cola, and stuff like that. But these things, I think people want to see more. Yeah, so I think waiting for this guy, he wants to show us something, and then you can tell me how I can start making the halva for my own. Ništa, snimaj okolo pa da vidim, da se ubacim ja tu.
Okay.
Jedna porcija real, dovoljno za dvoje. Tu može se sedne i kafa se pije besplatno, to mi je okej. Arapska kafa. Ovo je neki med. Generalno mislim ne priču ni dobro engleski, malo su stidljivi vidim. Ali ovog lika ako bude mogo da pozovem u Srbiju, mislim da bi ovo bilo jako zanimljivo da ljudi vide originalno kako se pravi, pa i verovatno bi... Mislim ovo je neka bolja verzija onog, kako se zove onaj...
Pa kao lokum.
A ne, nego ono što, ratluk.
Pa da.
Ovo je u stvari bolja verzija.
Ratluk i lokum.
Ratluk je ono danas postao, mislim, neki želatin i beli šećer.
Kako kod nas u Srbiji je postao gustin.
Pa gustin, da.
Ali kod Turaka je i dalje, razumeš, taj dobar.
Pa
a ovo je za klasu bolji.
Pa za klasu, ovo je neki tradicionalni, da. Tako da ćemo vidjeti, sad ću ja da probam da ga mešam, da vidim kako to radi.
Šta ti je sa okom?
Nešto me ubolo juče i da li muva, da li pauk, komarac ili neko nepoznato omansko biće.
Čije oda?
Nešto me ubolo i pustilo mi otrov u oko i sad izgledam jako čudno, ali nema veze.
Snim ovo što gledaju.
Pa sve snime, da.
Mnogo se bune.
Neupadljivo.
Vole oni to.
Ja. Idemo s one strane dođi. Sad ćem pokazati kako se pravi halva. This looks really nice. So this is canned sugar, right?
Organic sugar.
Organic sugar, canned sugar.
To sam probala, to je jako dobro.
Brašno, dobro. Yeah.
And this white sugar.
Beli šećer.
Yeah. And this semi Arabic. Ghee for
Oil. Ghee. Ghee butter, purified butter, okay? Saffron. Yeah, cardamom and yeah.
and this rose water.
Okay. So this is Omani honey. You also make
all Oman.
everything is from Oman.
Only this made from outside and this from Iran and all
Be Omani. This is very expensive. It's 1 real for 1 gram in Lulu.
Yeah, this 1 kilo maybe for 150 riyal. 1 kilo.
1 kilo, okay. So you bring this from Iran?
Iran is price. When you start the halwa, first of all start this water.
So first this. Znači prvo se ovo meša.
Together and do with water. After half hour, I do this inside.
So wait, first you mix sugar only with water.
Yeah, with water.
Dobro.
Maybe half hour. After this, I do this.
Znači pola sata se meša ovo sa vodom, onda se ubacuje brašno.
Yeah.
Okay.
And I do this maybe 3 hours mixing.
Znači 3 sata se mešaju ova 3 sastojka.
Same now this you see.
Yeah.
Now maybe 2 hours I go now. Same this. After this come there. And when the halwa is ready, خلاص, it's finished. Water with all this outside.
Okay, aha.
I do with this ghee.
Znači kad voda ispari, onda se ubacuje ghee puter, and everything
And
else.
this only half hour last time. I do this mixing halwa. How the taste?
Da.
Only for taste.
Znači 30 minuta pre nego što je gotovo, sve se ubacuje, ovo je samo za ukus.
Da.
And when you finish,
Orah se secka, tako?
You cut this or you put like this? You cut into little pieces? Okay. Znači, sve ide u male komadiće i onda se ubacuje.
This only for test, I can do anything.
Yeah, you can add other things.
But this is the stuff.
And how much you put of this?
As I do in the one time, this one all.
Znači, za jednu celu turu, u ovom velikom, ide 1 litar. Ovo je ružina voda. I
If I do honey, I do 2 kilo.
I još 2 kilograma meda.
But not all halwa do this honey. Only this, especially for
Yeah.
halwa.
So it's actually expensive to make.
Yeah.
How many liters you have in one round?
For what?
How many kilo is here now?
This last come from 28 to 32.
Znači 25 do 32 kilograma dobije u jednoj turi, da.
4 hours making.
Da.
I do this maybe for this, يعني size for this 3 kilo.
3 kilograma ovoga, I understand.
Come maybe 30 kilo.
Znači oko 30 kilograma dobije. This is very interesting, yeah.
More expensive and also more time need.
Yeah. But you have to put good ingredients because then you have a good quality product.
Yeah, that's why.
Then people will come again and again.
Alhamdulillah.
And these guys, how long they work in the round?
Yeah, this maybe 3 hours now.
So they're especially doing that only.
Yeah, only this. You do how you can make this. Cannot anyone do this also.
Can I try a little bit? Because it shouldn't get stuck to the... So one guy make one round 3 hours. Yeah.
MashaAllah.
Je li teško?
Pa i nije, ali sam mislim stalno.
Kao da veslaš, jel?
It's like, you know, when you're in the boat, it's good for muscles. I think these guys are very strong. It's good for fotografiju.
Tako ceo dan.
Kaže na svaka, so every 3 hours the guy is changing.
3 sata se
That's
menjaju.
good. Do 2 guys, for example, this 3 minutes and I do after 3 minutes. He gets some rest and I do. That's why.
Na 3 minuta.
But izgleda, da.
Sit down. If they are not good, this خلاص. That's why we take exactly take all.
And nothing goes out. It's like a rubber. It's almost like a rubber.
You can see sound here.
Yeah.
Ovo je od bakra.
Huh?
Posuda je od bakra.
Da. And this is copper. This is copper, but it's good material.
Original, only for halwa this. Cannot do anything here. Only halwa. Maybe this price for this 500 here.
500 riyal.
It's 500.
Znači košta 1500 eura ovo je bakar, kao koji je najbolji materijal za... Always you bring back like this. Yeah, it's not easy. Ali nije lako, da, zato što posle, ja mislim 10 minuta, ono već si umoran. To da si ranije. How you know when it's ready? Aha, znači ovdje još ima vode, vidiš balončiće, da, ali kad se vrati nazad sve, bez balončića, znači da je spremna.
Znači da mu on izbija vazduh kao testo otprilike.
But he's also removing the air from this. It become like a dough when you make it, you know, there is no air inside and no water.
And before 3 hours, now you see this. Come see the other.
Da, vidiš, ovo je puno vode.
Now start for this. You see color? Now color. After 1 hour, color is coming.
Yeah. How you are heating this? Gas.
You see this gas?
Oh.
Yes, that's very dangerous. Very hot.
No woods. 300 Celsius. Aha. Znači treba oko 300 Celsiusa. Znači moramo imati oko 300 stepeni ono da bi se ovo grejalo i rešavalo kako treba.
Kako ga greje?
Sa gasom.
Dole, ja?
Da. Vidiš, ovo je finalizirana halva, nema vode, vidiš koja je razlika.
After 3 hours comes.
Yeah, I see. Thank you so much. But here there is not much work now, you just... Ovo se jedu uz kafu, arapska kafa. To...
Prava količina kapice, jel? Koju piješ na svaki sat vremena.
Pa, jebi ga, da, možeš da piješ.
U Srbiji se pije 10 puta više.
Pa dobro, ali jebi ga, mislim, kafa nije dobra, se jede u većim količinama. I sad da vidimo ovo. Ovo je stvarno dobro. Još je topla. Topi se u ustima. Yeah, this is nice.